In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add code snippets on WordPress.com. WordPress.com. This is a handy skill to have, especially if you're a website owner or a blogger looking to customize your site without extensive coding knowledge. So let's dive right in. First things first, we need to begin our journey by opening up your web browser. In the search bar, type in WordPress.com and hit enter. You'll see the official WordPress.com site appear in the search results. Click on it to go to the login page. If you're not logged in already, you'll need to enter your WordPress credentials to access your dashboard. Once you've successfully logged in and you're on your WordPress dashboard, look at the menu on the left side and find the section labeled Code Snippets. Go ahead and give that a click. This area is where you'll be managing all of your code snippets from here on out. Now that you're in the Code Snippets section, it's time to add a new snippet. Look for a button near the top of the screen labeled plus Add Snippet and click it. You'll then be presented with a few different options. For this video, we are focusing on adding a custom snippet, so you'll click on plus Add Custom Snippet. After this, you'll be prompted to choose the type of snippet you want to add. Since we're dealing with basic code additions, click on HTML Snippet. Once you're in the snippet editor, it's time to define your code. Start by clicking on the Code Title field and give your snippet a descriptive name that will help you remember its purpose later. Next, let's head over to the Code Preview section. This is where you'll input the actual code you want to implement. Once you have your code ready, copy and paste it into this section. Now that you have your code in place, we need to set how it'll be inserted into your site. Click on Insert Method to determine whether it should be displayed in your header, footer, or somewhere else on the page. This choice is crucial as it dictates where and how your code will execute, so choose wisely based on what your code is meant to achieve. We're almost done. Let's move on to selecting the location for this code snippet. Click on Location to specify where the snippet will be active on your website. This could be just on the home page, various posts, or site-wide, depending on your needs. Finally, there are a few options left to fine-tune your snippet, like selecting the device type or tagging the snippet for easy searching later. Be sure to review these options and adjust them according to your specific requirements. Once all of that is configured to your satisfaction, double-check everything, and when you're ready, go ahead and click on Add Snippet to save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully added a code snippet to your WordPress site. By following these steps, you can seamlessly integrate code into your WordPress.com site, enhancing its functionality. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.